Gale. Mbekanyamushumo ya Venrap, Gale. Mbekanyamushumo ya Venrap, Gale.
Hey yo, Venrap show.
Muzika wodzinginderao Katebura FM.
I do this all the time. Musunguru na labu. Aware ya bumaro usika aware ya butaenga madekwa. Keep it locked.
Muzika wa Venrap.
Hey, the Venrap show. Banamen King, Mr. Dude, all the time.
Check this out. Are you ready?
AK Marv produced they don't know. Asongo chechere sabachi yamba noto. Niyamufune derotro kondelelana. Nimafunga hata tomara totendelana. Whoa, shipping away. Mano jaharata tomara lindela. Nabangange ya bangange iratangana. Bukati dasa lave noni sina kakati. Siko diparono toba pakati. Sanjera spinga ubana ye. 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 You know what? Oh, it has a toriri tulero takara. You know what? Oh, it has a teuri ene atakare. Master the doba. Oh, it has a true and a sinoto mubaisa. Master the doba. Oh, it has a true and a sinoto mubaisa. You know what? Oh, it has a teuri ene atakare. Sanjera spinga ubana ye. 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 Spinga ubana ye. Want you to know, urinandi to listen any and I want you to know, urinandi to rani wawe, and I want you to know, urinandi to landi side in the and I want you to know.
Hey, the Venrap show. Banamen King, Mr. Dude, all the time.
Check this out. Are you ready?
Yeah, rotakuchedza. Yeah, rotakuchedza. Yeah. Abazitele favor. Bashare hey live. Abazitele favor. Yeah. Bavulele volume. Yeah, ienta ngauri. Tiko dobu yana musi mafungo ni rekodoamba ngao. Bono abona hapo. Redoamba nga state of hip hop kana na Venrap this year ramba urendinyi mwimbi ane. Yeah, he's doing the most. Redodowa ramba nga ha Venrap but when bako transition but bano ko switcha. People are switching to dance manyalo bako switcha to amapiano. Yeah, redodowa ramba ngabo. Yeah. Dinaye na musi hapa noni msiwana ndi muna nei dinaye ya zibiyanga mandara barikoto saukanya muzika wa hip hop wa Venda nga mandesa do waramba nanga di show rotanga na mini ya bache ready bako biza batoi abari ya ndi check hapa nonore muzika kwenda wafarera wone ndufiyo ara bachikona nepo ya ba comment nga track ene manga tondora chibatambira yone reitamba muyani sanga misi hoino ndi men Gale Mr. Do this all the time ba finally free hote ba dibo zore hai robuya ba fa hoy mukosi ba dibo robuya basoma waranga chipinga chichone nga mandesa ndikubuya naye ladi fusa tobero saukanya kwenyengo ribatu nabone bambe budifi habo ane vakati comments bajene bambe ori bako difahani mafuwenera kwamba ngao bone abashire murenje ka topic hezo nidzinza bapo ka comments basokona nganti badana mbuno ridozibana muyani nabamwe batu tojena nepo baamba zwine bone bako fila zone zwine bako fa zone. Yeah, so kwangoza ori batondinene obvisa namusi track yafadani anabo Pastor Holy Mike Rookie dinene obvisa music video wa barimini allow yeah music video mtenga manda woshituanga Z films uko shumi wanga manda ndo barajena ngango umwangeni zori uko tanga na mini rido Unpack album ya Mizo Phyll kana LP ya Mizo Phyll la difusa usidiwanga mandezutu udoamba ngazo ndiko wiya zwino apa ndibatambere mama's boy achiri mwana wabo ya kana ndomunanga ana anti-boy bachiri bomunanga ela track yo producer apola ninga Fizzy to Febe ndiko tamba ulimboy ndiko wana fusa ladi richibuye ziakala. We are getting into the topics. Topic cares about to show an apple. You guys toporani tea nide nazo toporani topic tea nide na mafungo manji niko ndo ambazo zinona ladi fusa.
Hey, the Venrap Show. Banamen King. Mr. Do this all the time.
Check this out. Are you ready?
Mama's boy, hey, hey. When I want you mufuna, and then the surana, hey. When you want you mufuna, and then the surana, hey. When I want you mufuna, when you want you mufuna, when I want you mufuna, and then the surana, hey. When you want you mufuna, and then the surana, hey. Mufumakazi namurunzi obona arindi tozura kawo titabari dogonya rote na milamora diwera rote ai
fulufhelo zwifi zwanga zwa ṱuwa zwoṱhe moyo wavho wa zwi vhuisa ṅwana wavho ndi a mufuna nṋe ṅwana wavho ndi a mufuna ṅwana wavho ndi a mufuna ene ndi ḓo dzula naye moyo wavho ndi a mufuna ene ndi ḓo dzula naye ṅwana wavho ndi a mufuna moyo wavho ndi a mufuna ṅwana wavho ndi a mufuna moyo wavho ndi a mufuna baby nṋe ndo dzula naye mfuno mena meae baby ndiri kafe hapa mfuno lwanga naene ungita muketa misi yote chimwe chifhinga ndamumbula ndisokosea ndindo ndiri ene wazvumbulana tuvalera tomofulana ndamuseza matoni amwemwera inoni ndazivo ndowana mtanu amatongo naye uyu nangwanga vapasi nomakuru mfeni mitodzi matoni aningaivona uyu noni ufunwa namufuna ene ndizodzula naye uyu wavo ndiyamufuna ene ndizodzula naye mwana wavo ndiyamufuna uyu wavo ndiyamufuna mwana wavo ndiyamufuna uyu wavo ndiyamufuna mwana wavo ndiyamufuna ene ndizodzula naye uyu wavo ndiyamufuna ene ndizodzula naye mwana wavo ndiyamufuna uyu wavo ndiyamufuna mwana wavo ndiyamufuna uyu wavo ndiyamufuna.
Yeah, we do this.
ndo amba ndari ndiḓo ndinaye ladi ndo vatembela mamas boy na nt boy hafhaḽani vha tshi ri vho munanga ya ndi khou tamba dzinyimbo hedzi ndi khou itela uri ladi nga ngeni a vha khou sendela kha khudza ipfhi a vha khou luga ya ndi khou amba zwa zwino u tonga ono vha ready nga ngei ladi
Yeah, we do this.
all the time man.
Yeah.
ndi kale mamuna a ni ngo vonala
Yeah. Ndiko aunana ko dovonadza matswana.
eh
Azifhinga zone zoko soko vonala
kani ni ngo recorda dzi album dza Chidzumbe.
Dzitova royal na royal mara za Chidzumbe.
Kani ni khou ita ni ngo recorda album LP Limpopo.
Yeah, nothing like that, bro. Nothing like that. This is a lot.
Yeah, rumbesani vathu hapa vathu ndikane mbonili.
Yeah, man. Hey, let's hope about the first never
They must have the.
Oh, atiko fala grande.
Yeah, niko da honest.
Niko mfasha hapo zini.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, shout out mwana angabo shuna ini. So let's get to it, bro.
Let's get to it, man. Before tojena mafungo ladi nani guy ni guys of the budingo tanganisa mini
ndio the life in ndiko tanganisa life
iko tangana.
Yeah, not you can never know up until you are in the mix, my brother.
Ni kama mafungo kuma ngamanda.
The most important part is to just be in the mix. So yeah, I'm in the mix, and yeah, uko tangana. It's not for me to judge. It's for the result. It's for the result day, and the result day is not every day.
Yeah. Aribone hapa zabude. Yeah, I want people to engage as well. But to hapa like Facebook, you guys topic zioni hapa lani. Mwana pone kotarera. Wandanga topiki asakoposa zwawe rdeibada na lodi aipfa nene adana mimburo yawe mafungo toma ikana what we want to start with the state cha hip hop or hip hop zo zino ihani ni yabona ningo jena papa labo Hillbro dito jena Hillbro ni yambulero nga dorobo yote ya Jozi yotorala matsina kamsi una peto ngabo bo New Town bo maboni ngangeni une nikongwana.
Yeah.
So how is hip hop at the moment? So the aritome international apa national la derdo we have ka Venrap.
Yeah, hip hop ika stage cha ika ndingasere critical kana ibebe. But ika stage chine ika stage chine unstable. Nikomfesa hip hop is unstable. Like a lot of hip hop albums are not going out a lot because a lot of rappers have adopted this emotive rap. Well, not rap, they are emotive, and a lot of them are drifting from a lot of listeners are drifting to dance. So nidano Rico loses a home rapper in that space. So hip hop is very strong. I will not remember because Rico spends most of the time Rico engaged and the social network is in an association na hip hop for that much. TikTok, but they don't have a lot of association with hip hop. You know what I'm saying? So you say hip hop is a space which it depends on certain platform. But they cannot survive.
Namusi wo Casper na bo Nestisi wo Divisa the hip hop album ziko fan national.
Like how many after you honestly speaking after Nichipa album ya Casper your verse you think the Volotoma did you repeat it again the next day?
Maybe few songs, maybe one or two.
You understand? Yes, you understand. So obviously, they follow hip hop like it's a religion. But when hip hop like the whole time. They check out when rap and check out like music more. So I don't care who you are. If you drop a link on my inbox, that's don't respond. But the fact of the matter is that I will listen. If not, scroll through timeline down una album kana una something art share, I will always listen because I'm that guy. I'm not listening to brag about it. I'm listening to enjoy it. So this is also on the zone of never hip hop Amanda. We don't post because there is an argument that unnecessary around the hip hop topic. You know
yeah, apa Venda nikubia nabona hip hop ika chimode ara record wamba over last year or 5 years ago usika zvino nikubia nabona bo requita something
inachasisa ndori aiona kachimo imbuzeni artist inarangadori iko rapper zvino Venda besides Redix artist ngadori iko rapper zvino arikombo rapper like arikomba like that fusion, that thing there, that fusion ya rap na mapiano. Arikomba artist ngadori ya drop a wimbo wa rap and it's doing good. Arikuti zinarekobado balaste rekatu jena kazi album the Bao zino. Arikomba sasa. Ani komora ni mute dandi ko dipesa right.
Ningomfa.
Yeah, nikompa zino kwa ndako dipa.
Yeah. Nafani kwamba ni kwamba Redix ndiye ne nikobona Venda abela bathu bene
dara ndikazi likorendesa kwamba the album zinezo drop zino bodara waona atizinda kuzitheleza like what savage the Dr. Les waona atizinda kuzitheleza they are rapping their asses off. That's why we don't speak much about them because of midwana if who drop album ya dope abo kubambezana mtu ani uka all over the space uko gidimara kama piano wange afara piano licheza agidimara hip hop nga fara hip hop nga alicheza just because opinion yuko pisa nga afana mukwanyago da pisa nga afa uchipinyi yuko pisa nga ngei ukwanyago ya pisa nga ngei ni confessor ndizinga wenda kuzibona esa Venda because namani gane robot zori like these are the guys, these are the ones that are gonna like help change the structure cha rap ya Venda. So ileka growth because it's revolving around the same thing. The whole time it revolves around us to see. It's either Korea, Fade. That's the whole time. That's the whole time you find Venrap is interesting because new Corona.
So do you think supporters na zone they are not true fans to hip hop ya Venda because nafa which if you all muna we abachimba hip hop no visa trekea manyalo nabone bakoyeda ngani nge. So we don't have loyal fans, ne?
We do have a structure of loyal fans. Don't worry. Let's say artist Yoshuma hip hop ya wana defending yana lava loyal. You know that religious following that you can't just back down because there's something new. One of the order from Muzika one of the order Philan. The immunity chincha. Remember, aniko convert immunity not. Niko convert hila religion ya the followers done. uri dzive ezinini nakuita zvona nikomfesesa nikuconverta hela religion yazi-followers dzano uri nadzone dzinge zi-interested koyo music because ningasidrope track dzasari dope maniga dope amtinozvifana yenizori it's not the one, but before the fact that were dope my nigga dope and you're trying a new style, you're gonna have to be like, yeah, that's the one. Ariko ana or the artist song with you the music, but always have a ground where we will say this is who you identify as, this is who you know. The identification of your style is rap. Because my nigga ako jena kamanyalo a rapper. Maniga ako jena kamanyalo abeimba manyalo natozipa zori ndikale nigga liko todo computer na makazi.
Liniga liko zita mazware.
Yeah, I think like I think when I got ambasanga chizonga mimi kota amore nigga liko zita zeli nigo to zipa zori. This guy is passionate about wanting to perform at weddings. Like that's it. Like if you pay enough pressure, yeah.
Mara asinga uri kamusi ngori zwavhuḓi ngori we are already inside this Venda hip hop artists switching to dance. Why do you think they are doing that? Why
TikTok ikobulaya muzika branga TikTok ikobulaya muzika the way ngamanda wa Venda and arikuzijela nta amuna nindasonenda jena zvinoka TikTok ndasikanda zokotamo utambisa whatever that I'm playing with, and then that shit goes viral. I guarantee you in a feature I'm rapper Venda, you know, like a few that I know, just because I was crazy enough. So it's all about traction. It's not about content anymore. Like you're not being, you don't care what happens afterwards. It's all about ndidona momentum unoenda trend nyana zidibazo zvongoro ndeibana nyinyi woita mini nikomvesesa. So it's no longer doing it for the love of it. Ukosoko switchiwa that's any panotangana naso nacheka muzika wa simple sauita nono unotongana zina dziri mzala nichijena stage ni watu ngori vakudala na zvine aziri mzala nyana ndizoni it says upengo Venda waringisa. It's always been the case.
Mara don't you think ndingauri hip hop bathu vanji avachabukesiwa and arari huzone why we miss the good old days here? Hip hop, it was there lineup ingwe ingwe Venda nachibuku uri natleka hip hop inokhourwa so zvino ningobuku uri kamusi nobvisa piano kana nobvisa mini. Why do you think is the problem? Why is oraro?
Because Venda nomuzi awukhobana zinto awuna community hip hop yet. I'm sure you much flash being ngamaniga ina la people. What the hell was beautiful? I don't want lie. Like I don't want what they awuna community. They can have discussions about the type of music that they want to put out there, the type of content that needs to be out there. But right now, ndisoko bonori like ndisoko doba chimona chingo chinako bona chichikoshuma online, and you forget ori there's a community of other artists that look up to you or that you still need to raise, and you still hela conversation is necessary uri recochincha zino culture no reconya gore imuvenga hei direction because hela direction ayiko shuma. But aziwe zinyambezano utokova na upusha nacheka na national risk bambeza zote zizintwana zinene ndingambalera ntwana za 5. It's not like they started off as friends, but they saw that the movement that we're pushing, we want to steer it to the same direction. Why is it so instead of competing, why is collaborating more?
Mara, do you think Murapa afengandara unore angaswicha aita something which will get him booked?
That's the problem. Are you thinking long term or are you thinking short term? You can get booking for if you're gonna think short term, you're gonna eat long term. You're gonna eat short term. You understand? Whatever you think short term is gonna end short term. So that's why when I'm think long term, their longevity doesn't make sense when you look at their catalog. It doesn't make sense. His longevity, and artist longevity is not gonna make sense because when you look at their catalog, it doesn't match up to what they've been doing. So build a culture cover my Venda this and that.
And most of the songs are cover. You can't play them 3 times.
like, let's just look at that.
Not a minute.
I'm just saying, or like, are we being for real now? Are quite music or like music on any comedy? So I'm need to be serious at some point because already you want to say that you decide you want to be a Trevor Noah or you want to be an artist. You want to you serious na kana ninga emuna like ndisa koto leva ninga siwa ni mizo ako computer na draws la za German ninga they're not on the same level. Ninga mwana naka track ya mizo ndiko bafanyisa mizo because he takes care of his brand Brian bayithogomela brand yawe.
And then nishitangana na wewe mtu you approach him the way he present himself.
Ningazizo kwamba na mizo zinafani kufuna. Kikoto ningasiambe na mizo zinafani kufuna. Ningasiri nozura na mizo feel nazo kwa amara mizo ni anyeng because he doesn't present himself as that. He doesn't present himself as that. And that's what's important. These niggas they're not taking care of their images. Chingwana emona like ndikani jisa ni sirazi niko fara na baby mabunu na.
So no lebeyango raro ucorrecta ukutethi yamini ucorrecta that part ya bom rapper bako switcher to dance music riyengo richamba ri correct or so guys need to do this and this and this.
And this shouldn't feel like, just by the way, disclaimer, this shouldn't feel like an attack to anybody.
Yeah.
This is not an attack to anybody. This is just giving game because as an observer, from an observer point of view. So already improvise to like they need to be like some form of communication between artists. Hey man, so how do you do it, Brian? How do I keep my image like this? We need because bona chimotenda chitakarara zvinita kuti yakagame before ndesa to continue. Rina vatu vaneva passes a game zvino. If nikonyaga advice, you can always call maybe men Gale. Ninga the phone niggas like whenever lavana vachina ndavono rap man vanezino they are all about giving game. Ninga nizoremo ndavona na career so yave move ka direction. How do I improve? Because I'm trying to get into this. Marama niggas, they don't care about that. Like we need to care about that. Image yashu. Niya rengi sayanan. Are you marketable? If zuna ndamudere munandi ndigen auna nimtu ndanga wana ndo muposta ka status changa. Maybe ndikamba ngalimbo this I lose Mizo Phyll most of the time kana boles na bora dig those guys that I usually prefer because they are diva content yavo zori ndingasiri ngodziva ndiko ili dzapanda vatu mumwe mutaitakarira ndichimu intro achijena asatangana zvimwe zvinazobvambirani ka content yavo nikompesesa
nikwambanelo
present alori niyarengiseya na kavamwe vatu ndiyakona uri ndichikonifa ndikopfandi na vamwe vatu ndichamba dzina lano la catch attraction na niyarengiseya
Venda zvino ndinyi brand ka artist
ndisongovara Mizo I goes by look at kamba kaba to never they are popping tikonya go rosoko pendiko panga di brazanga on so this mention but kaba to never they are popping let's just say goes but he's got that element of consistency or in terms of keeping his image aralas na mapungo a post aralas na mapungo a post then songwana go the genesis ask conversation ngona ingweni nyanga comment yami
yeah no libe Guzbar ngari uwera ka generation ino koda ya ma 2000 arali kuno zviyamba ngachizvino huna vatu vonongavo Asati vatu vonongavo JR Player vatu vonongavo Guzbar vatu vonongavo Devins Vince vatu vonongavo Tiago. Do you think ava vatu kana these guys will carry on the future of Venrap kana Chincha and they introduce something new? Because I've seen some of them, they are already doing pianos.
Just pick one specifically because these kids are doing a lot of different things. Asati is focused on is coming with that emotive music, pop, nyana.
Yeah.
JR Player is dope. JR Player is fucking dope. He's immaculate. Motherfucker is good.
That's good.
and unanyi mumwe novala nanyi days and beans atuita chithu chine ndasokopfanga ndikakona musala murahu enough une ndikadonga ndikoscrolla katimeline yawe. I'm not into that funny content shit. He's got good rapping skills ndo zinova ndatavira na vunyimbo buviri, but ndingava ndina mwedzi zika maybe 4 ndisatujana nakatimeline yawe kandisatubona dzina lawo la PR anyway. Tiago from an encounter with him, he's a kid full of potential.
Yeah,
like intembe lantwana ikotonyaga direction hana direction kazi yako ita naye ana ningasi jeshi shipina sumba ana adivi zoru konyago ita mini adivi zoru konyago repa asperias adivi zoru konyago rumera mreza na kana adivi zoru konyago seisa batuna ningasi zito zotanga chipenga chiti ningasi zito zotanga chipenga chiti ingoti nanga ipana shout out ndiyela nipinyi ndobona niposta lingoduva nikoringa vekweta manchester mini
Lutro.
I think that Lutro is coming with it.
Yeah,
He's coming with it, and so he's coming with it. Also, like, look out, man. There's someone suggests that the out is in a Venda page. Like, look, no, Dr. Lesson yes, but they're dropping music every week, and the consistency is amazing, man.
yeah, those like, ones they are dope. They're dope.
It's an amazing consistency. And you see by the Great White is out of topic right now, man. He's got his own thing going. He's got his own different lane which he's trying to master. He just needs a good formula.
Yeah.
It's a good formula, man. It's done.
Anjede ka fungo la the record label kana ndi record label kana ndi toba zi group za bathu bene
own record label. Odo chancela ni wafe.
Yeah, zabo yeah. Lemwa bathu bene na ini you think beef is healthy? Kana this song they are healthy ka hip hop?
No, not at all really. I don't even think they're healthy, Brian. And then believe a collaboration more than conflict. Like that check Muzika wanga. Ati na rimbo nangarana ndiko aseka nyinyi because actually we've worked together. I don't have music where I'm attaching anyone. Maybe ndi chamba ndi aleva, but when you listen to my music is all in the moon. I'm giving myself to the audience to find what you can pick and use from my mistakes. Because it's about it's all about the impact and the education in it. My music is mostly educational on self-improvement and shit like that because I'm talking about my journey. That's why in this about the only time you'll hear me talking about saying I'm riding in a Lamborghini. Maybe I will be in a Lamborghini, but I would be in a position where it would not be a once-off thing. Because I speak about my journey, where I am in life, where I'm going in life. So it's different. Because now focus on business. It affects I don't go associate
Mara beef is la zabo Metro na bo Adolfo azingo tusanya na hip hop ya Venda.
Mudoni cheza tusanga.
Bako dive ya nyana keba.
That type of are you rapping to be known or to be impactful? Come diva mara come divela me. Abe na zina divela zmes nanda ava. Najini wana bada na ndiko wana ngo chimbra na mtadu wana wabu ditando. Abe lela lo la matambelia. Nikomfesesa like divela ni kuzabu dere nikono pedera petu abudi.
Unamwe mutu hapa ka Facebook uri Dawood Sadamani uri hydrogen from HOD ma.
Yeah, hydro.
Nikono madingane poi. Rikobia chivya riko jena ka nyimbo kana zitenera dzobvawo. Rdokana ngamanda na ka Mizo Phyll apalani randitambe Chifo Charge. I'm not sure if you have listened to Chifo Charge or you want us to play something else. Wanarofara Chifo Charge hapa. Ritambe yone nika zinwa madhi hapa. Nsekobia na ritatuwa kure. Ladi.
Gale.
Ndiri nika zinwa madhi hapo nsingo tuwera kure. Iranditambe Chifo Charge. Richiwiyai. Riko jena kazi chandera.
Yeah, no, nendi sharp, ndi on.
Yeah, randi Chifo Charge hapa ya Mizo Phyll. Chiwiyai. arroedze thandele idzi.
Hey, the Venrap show. Bannerman King.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Dudes. All the time.
Check this out. Are you ready?
Record ndichivula hii show ne.
Yeah.
Ndo tamba track ya neno fichifinga yoto requestiwa.
Overnight kane song and the mulo.
Hey.
Ngibona lwamatho. Izinto yadathi they don't know. Azonga teteleza vachiyamba noto ndiyamufune nderotokombererana ndimafungo autotomara totenderana wow chipinga we
ape ndiani angazori ni ghostwriter man ndiani angazori ni ghostwriter
valodiva blind
ndiani angazori ni ghostwriter tendera dziko ubva ke Mizo Phyll of Visa LP it was written noifa ela tendera
yeah, and they later share some among like in a playback value would be.
Are they break it down, unpack it?
Then track by track, and then we'll
after make a chief for charge. What do you think about chief for charge?
That's one of like the best songs on the album. It's one of the best songs on the album because Mizo Phyll understood what he had to do. And everything that what he was saying, it was well timed. So it was to make sure that whatever that he says, because the break down story Chief for Charge Indian he was the one of the pioneers the Venrap back then because kupundena wao kuproduce muzika munji wa Mizo na Raudiva. Nalingoli katara la voloduma badi Venda la double FLR
la Chief for Charge
ila likatara na story finance he was already kodoka kungoku frontline records like without a doubt because so Mizo kai track what he was doing was it was a huge shout out to Chief for the contribution zawe. At some point he was also reflecting a journey ya enemu ne Mizo or a guy or other guy or kudamini kanyinani. I don't wanna have to say a lot of things from my own understandings. It was not meant to be like that. But Rachek on a track and music double FLR and then so there's things like that. Much mentioned before bedroom, like garage. So na chekana situation is you can understand or they are no longer at a point where they can make something now because I'm not trying to.
Make sense ngamandeso.
So kai track and Mizo was trying to highlight to that's why sometimes when you have to do it go to run.
Yeah. Risangwi na dzina ile noni la it was written adobari in the LP long play tonga bathu banji boska eba dada falani
Amanda like remona richira ka shango line information is everywhere but we choose not to use it. There is too much information everywhere you go. Mara rita stuchuti rinango saita bezela usa difundeza chitu because tramango argue before she good. Because it says what Vanji I like to criticize me the LP word because they didn't know the context of it. They don't know what it means. It can mean a lot of things. Not just a project, you can tell that it was personal to Mizo Phyll. And
una hate again of stay the same. Do you think Mizo Phyll how he expressed himself on this song and other songs not to be linked to this song only, do you think this LP it's supposed to be an LP or it's supposed to be an album, or he was supposed to give us more, or he did paint a picture that you as a listener I see the vision, I see what he was trying to do, or I see what he did on this project?
Perspective, my brother. I think also perspective, ndingava ndikoisedza from a different point of view. Mizo achingwalela album angava a mentally at a different point of view ine ndangava ndikaya. So perspective rikosedza project yofhelelaho rine zvone ari kuisedza Mizo aitoma on. So I feel like if I can say ufana yova album, it would take me to have been where Mizo was. Musi actually decide or he wants this to be a long play about his life. It or over a guy actually with a mental. So anyone angaba actually did better than Nemune. I feel like he did what was best for the Mizo Phyll brand, and I think the guy is onto something different. Like he's onto something different, and he's like Mizo knows what Mizo Phyll fans want, and Mizo gives the sense what Mizo can offer. He doesn't give anything more than he can or anything less than he can. He always gives that which he can. So as he decided with the LP, he had his good reasons, I believe. So whatever that I might think, it might be an album, it might be whatever. But he what he was thinking is what's important to me right now.
In terms of the feature, were you expecting features on the next thing that Mizo Phyll will drop? Because to some this came out as a surprise, but you will feel like you were expecting Urudobana to feature, or you have seen him hanging around with people. Were you not surprised or shocked? Didn't you want to know the features in maybe if you had features in mind and it was even happen on it?
Yeah, I feel like the features I have, like national type of vibes or type of thing. But then Racheka Mizo or reset a career yawe achidropela album now and then. So he restarted his career. So if you drop such a good body of work, nanya gosoko tapanyeza gosoko feature the artist kurwane, I think this is the catalog in according the builder. Akonyagonga, his career was made as the course. So I structured never position misandiko tomo ubana understanding yana ya chori. Abakonyago build la brand ine udodumesa wimoruti zinwe za catcher on later. So bako tomo by build and yatomo yaba na solid foundation. Musena mzibo ono obviously limona na ari na case. Nichi umela mrao nichi tangana na yo. You get to be like, fuck, I understand all this track in a case. It's not sometimes they don't lose their credibility because of it. Okay, like if you not remember this year, Runa Star Power, Una MC, artist journey, like are you still following? Are you still following the artist? Are you still following the progress? Because you're gonna go on another mini auto badeli.
I see mutual agreement and I mean I see vibe. I see no vibe. I see
no vibe. So all the good as those to me. So ori that's what bisa di mana mutungo rondo mo badera. Udolu ilo rondo mo badera.
Mara rekoto soda. Ara di album yewe produce anga Android.
Radar no bona post mbili zino zori mizango mbadera zi royalty mini kombe radar no bona post zino zero.
Ay radar so gori blind. Ofirisa.
Sikonya go tikeleza kana with a pride ya producer. I feel like you did a great job. Sikonya go next time, like there's always room for improvement in everything, man. Like big up. Actually, even angazina producer, but there's always room for improvement in everything. Android is Android. Don't know chidowela islachan.
Don't know chidowela.
Islachan don't know chidowela, and the reaction tesa. And all pieces of me, but then me, then money over could be there about it could be the album.
And they could do a checklist here for Nichivarai, Nisokori, Nidwambarune na Rufuna.
Yeah.
Ati Imi, Rufuno Rwanga, Ojolewa.
Yeah, Ali na beat ya would be.
Atinga Dobi,
not today.
Chifo Chargi,
The best.
Fumura,
The blind is
Stay the Same,
top of the chart.
Wrangler,
Not my type of music, but it's okay.
Winter,
Vibe Binyana, it's shorter, but it's lyricism is on point.
Kerekeni,
Here and there, 5,
Rubone,
5 or 6, like it's
Righty.
giving, it's giving different other vibes. That's the type of music.
Ribuwani,
Perfect song, perfectly balanced.
Be My Love,
Nice music, man. Like good music. Music would be something.
today was already comes in no ibona album ya Prefix New Dawn obviously nene oita joint album na Black Snova titi zona itocheresa ne album
Nachi ndotichelesa track mbili mani.
if yo notice if yo
Track 1 na track 2. Ndotichelesa track 1 na track 2. Chidims ondofelela guy na chungo cha continue. From later ndini unazona vale kuita. But then I think
niko techeresa nofa zuyani nofa muzika wani
hey, ndofa muzika wa Prefix.
what Prefix
Ndofa muzika wa Prefix.
sima zore obu ya Prefix wono da chikari
Hemu nani muzika wa Prefix. Muzika wa Prefix ni muzika wa Prefix. Oh, sharp for Prefix.
ndi Prefix wavo Rudzani funa nani ni kwamba so
Ni Prefix wao, ni Prefix wao, mara Prefix ni Prefix.
but techeresa vanyango vizura kagara uri nchiri Prefix ni Prefix
Mugambore muzika wa Prefix ni muzika like Prefix ni muzika wa wendu wao mabana basho. So nazungumza ne so ati ndia ufuna muzika wa Prefix. Mara I too much of everything can be mean.
dangerous can be dangerous.
Night is chitu chirunji chako za mini. And was one other no nanda rengali ice cream la 5 liter ni nali lesa le ice cream ni azori afu itoro le fa zalichi godon time mugomfeza. So muzika wa Prefix blind ngamana mara muzika wa Prefix ni muzika wa Prefix.
The muzika wa Prefix.
Yeah.
Yeah, kama sibathecheresa bashoyi phindulo boyipha abade analyze abone bane zori iko yena guy ndobona na Dr. Les of Visa Falani.
Yeah. You gotta start it to finish it.
Yeah. Did you listen to some of the songs there?
Yeah, I did. Like I listened to like a religious experience. So like I listened to it like a perfect top of the morning music. Perfect top of the morning music. Like and then you listen to those kind of music. It is honest that the yo man, I need to make a plan for the day. And then what during no trauma, you have to know what fuck it. I still have this to get to. Like you gotta start it to finish it. Like the title your name
Madoria, this album is solid. It is solid.
Like that's music. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe 4 or 5 months from now, Rafiki out let's say you blow up. But like never could push another TS is like they're dropping music almost every week. That I wouldn't be surprised in the next 5 months in the Rafiki dogs unless they can TS will blow up. They are busy. Like as we say, Katareke never goes to drop. And ending up hole. Mungu akadroba ulia panda, mungu adroba ulia chitangana rekwamba ngazina litivi. So muti achikuita show, rekotanga nyanga zitereke zofambana na. Unikonfesesa? Na manito buda no divis lazima. Like what they're doing, Brianga, like I feel like if they can continue that community of music that they're doing, there was never pushes us on like it's gonna create like results on it results on things tashikochiko tu about
recall livana la batho ba visa hoy Metro machelo o re ko visa Muzika Mixtape
ona redix ka track 1 ona redix ka track 1 like I can't wait
Yeah, una Redix na Rascanley if Muzika title track.
Title track, like yo we work a track one, no where you gotta niko to jenanga so let's hear what cause the last project you know man like ari for paramina bono.
Yeah, ndiko bona track zono ngabo I Need You, Zabo Gale Part 2, Chifambano, Volo Volo, Otowa, Jujumalima na Bafio Freestyle the bonus. Machero uriko over.
Yeah, so under chungaji touch to drop a track mama na zitori vudori rigid some album ya so dia dori sambisa na tingo the album dia janya go tambo zika shuffle mama. Ni pochito ba usto ba track of I Need You na track lo PJ. Ni compenseza like usto ba track yo I Need You na track yo PJ.
Yeah.
It carry a little bit. So record mara ni mixtape azane.
The mixtape, yeah, the mixtape.
And the mixtape then it's as a problem and other mixtape people as a problem, but at least school us on how to listen to your music because not the artists, it's not like they are not enjoyable. You just don't have a strategy of how to enjoy their music.
Yeah.
You don't if music from music most of the time artists but when you want to music most of the time because the level compare the lyrics to the own because like it's like stories to the mind. It's something you just need to have a picture of even when you are reading it. Lyrics enjoy enjoy. So it's like that.
I bet the was only ghostwriter. Rico Nepo shows Rodzibona, Royal Garden Ribona. Any take out from the Royal Garden?
Man, they need to do better.
Eh?
They did an amazing job, but they can do better than that, man. Like book artists are 90. If nisna from an evaluator gori what whenever the show ni anova shana chipinga deba gumbatu anga chipinga then sometimes the artists they was out there share because that's what it's about. But nikyo wani kudiva monazor nemshumo wanga wono no weno ni witisa so those artists they was go shumiswa so the artists name mistake ko trio wala ntazo ara the sound is to go proper ni go trio performer right balance anga inwi they got you the nipana better it's better you don't book me than disrespect me. Don't disrespect my image, bro. Like it's either you couldn't ngombi is the ngori situation ya nasa na nyaza panda. Couldn't ngomba na pension this is ngombi saya.
What if Taizo uba taredi wachisuka late ufuna boshika early?
Mistake number 1. Never na anytime drop ya Royal Gardens the day before. Never na bona zori nyuko pa mangachunga then nyuko pa mangachunga the day before.
Dandi dorchunga ibona mara msundo ibona dorchunga ibona.
Ni bona na.
Mara it was not public. Yeah, ni kwamba zone ne.
Ni confess it should be public or find around this zori if niko bona road kid need over at this time if niko bona booster need over at this time because the one song about batini. Ni confess
ni kwamba zone ngori una gigila inokuitwa fi DSTV Delicious.
Yeah.
A line up postiwa karo ri nyuko jina na chipinga the ba poster early.
Exactly. Uri defenders anga zidive mamunazori ara no dera ubonana idani ngechipinga mara if the gate open at 12 our performance started what time?
At deep.
Performance started what time? Gates open at 12. Performance the rest of mangachipinga.
Abangwamba.
Those are like important factors that we also like not need to run away from. Because sorry. And the one ozame ni munu promoter and the performance too. I don't know what plan is oringa one and go to man and I mean that's a chinchilla planning or in a renati kitchen when you come to support
Ningaya Royals Nama IC.
Ni confessesa ndiko to manda pera na top ndiko to manda pera na ga ene lichula ona alingorata.
Hey, so what do you think they need to improve on?
We need to it's okay like that we need to have like to schedule our things and follow up on our scheduling. Recruiters zwithu nga plan mun tshiṅwe tshifhinga tshi khou tea u vha na time efficiency zwezwo zwe vha kuita mara kha vha pha arali ni khou ḓi uri heyi ndo phuka vhathu vha 90 heyi show i khou ḓo caterela for vhathu vha 90 full ḓo performa 2 minutes ni ḓo performa 1 minute uthu una performa nyinya so zwezwo zwi important uri ni dzule ndi dziko zwi vha khou zwi ḓivha because ni ḓo wana muṅwe u khou pfuka ḓo performa goods vha nga 11 a ṱwa a ḓiela bathroom ni konfesesa ovodelo vona goods o ita mini u pongo u waste tshelede yawe
u vha khou lila zwino a tshi fio o fhedza gospel perform
u pongo o waste tshelede yawe because
a una highlights
ni konfesesa a hune zwa zori mini kana mini u pongo o waste tshelede yawe ngori ndo vha ndo yo vhona nyinyi ango tsha ita izwo ango tsha ita 1 2 3
yeah no live nga nḓila ine
the same day really yava khou itia a una show ya for Kantun Pitori Botanical Garden ikla ku this over 2 days before
tofa
2 days before nda khou ḓivha zori mapolisa performa nga masiari
ngori zwi a ḓivhea zori u khou performa tshifhingaḓe
Root Kid a tshi khou performa mapolisa la busy le khou imba vhopa i tshi khou bvumela crowd ngori crowd ya yo vhona mapolisa yo fika nga 2 yo fika nga 2 o'clock i crowd yavo yo vhona mara if ri khou ḓo ita zwithu vhathu vha sa zwi ḓivhi ndi nga si announce namusi ma vhona show i khou itea namusi ndi busy ndi na plan I've got things to do
yeah hey ri khou fhira kheyo ya ngei ino itiwaho una phende afha i khou itiwa nga 7 October no i vhona line up musi
dzi ḓo vhuyesa zwino afho phende zwino dzi ḓo vhuyesa right ndi ngo to i vhona zori like yeah then ndi confused no mona tshi khou ḓivha zori vha feel zwavhuḓi like he is still so much into the music enough to want to produce more music and he wants to get into the promotion side more ni konfesesa
asuri tshelede gai
zwi account na zvezwo zwi account mara na ina ura na ba brand tshelede i dika ini ni khou ita dza show dzine dzo sedza ini fhedzi na the supporting acts nga thungo
dzi avhuya lodi ri tshi khou vala una mafhungo ri a sia ene kha musi ni nga to u vhudza vhathetshelesi
ni kwamba uri nga vhona mafhungo ane ni nga to vha vhudza vhathetshelesi
ane ri kha musi ro a sia hanefha ane ni nga to ḓo ri ga
let's not stop, man. We've come so far. No, as a community of Venrap. So let's not stop now. Let's continue. I'm like like if Nikoponga you like what Man Gale is doing and you want to also you also have something to add to what he's doing, maybe on the side. I look at that and so community grow. You can do that as well. Not the music journalist. No matter what music journalist is about, or you can say nice things. There's nice things that are happening out there. You have an event organizer. As Muzika is broad. You can be involved in artist management without manipulation. There's PR. There's the marketing side. You can have a team like you can be in the music industry without singing. So let's minimize. I'm seeing it happening. Let's minimize that thing you're in and about superstar. There can't be a lot of superstars. We're not with the superstars though. Temara, not superstar here, Venda. Wakono lava to Muzika 20. If Razit Lana sharp.
And then go, man. No, Mama Funga, I never to Banji. Udofonga, Udo Imba or Nene.
Not superstar she pays then. That's what in the wall. Wafura.
Wafura.
Because these are collaborators on it. And I got feds around. Like there's a lot of beautiful things. And I'm watching that much in the Funanga about it. I've said some bad stuff about people before, and I always say the good stuff. So maybe the good stuff never gets to the people, but I like what's the name? Not necessary. I'm artist manager and I like what he's doing. He shows precision, he shows dedication. He's into this to be into it. Because he knows that whatever that I say affects my art.
And mara ḽiṅwe fhungo ndi ḽa uri muthu ane ha sasaladziwi ha aluwi tshiṅwe tshifhinga, so you must take constructive criticism from whatever people are saying and change it to make it something better for your career.
Ari ṱhogomele dzi brand dza vhoriṋe tshiṅwe tshi nda nga add. Ari ṱhogomele dzi brand dza vhoriṋe to the best of our. Let's not do things because they are trending. You can lose so much. You can lose so much within a day that you've accumulated in years. That you can lose it in a day just because of who you chose to associate with. There was a time where it was nice to feature a certain artist. You are skeptical about it. Like now, people go invest. Like and a big up to TZ as well. No one is more into instrumentals. Like I think I'm loving that because they're growing the game. They're showing or opportunity. There's a lot we can do. You can sell beats, you can sell lyrics, you can do this big up. Like I just wanted to give Easy more props, man. He's doing illegally blind because so when he's doing that now, and as artistic as is and there are something now as I drop music, let's flood the internet. There's too much room for everybody. There's no much about drop ngori music wa ko tshela wa orchestra wa dotmo go tangana na je link ya no ndaba fan ndio ndi prefer or ndashira limbo ranga ndabona fan mbili. I've done so much. It's like fan mbili zidongwanela zimwe mbili. It's like zimwe mbili like that and ndi the one about bane bafuna music wanga genuinely, not traffic marketed. Because we market for the right time, but for a period of time. But though could give us a whole room diva. So I think from 2016, like I could accept as a friend request to Facebook. So now there's a lot of passion involved because I've been following. I know how it started. I know how it went down. I know what went down. I know which formula he used, the entrance, the PR.
Yeah.
Because not every genia was so rebutted in because the artist were genius are the to so number feature MT Machera Bodu. Genia were each other important. That's why the easy over Jenny and the journey is more important, bro.
Yeah, not living Amanda. Hey, but man, thank you so much. Nyas Diva Zori, Ziawi Amanda. I read the podcast again, Namareba, Tomato Analyzer, we are Panda.
Nane.
Titi. The one cameraman.
Man, I don't think I'm in the right state of mind. I'm understanding like a beat as not a beat, like I'm busy. So maybe one. That's why no one can call because there was Kumarama access.
Yeah.
So I joke at this I want to interact more in public.
But this was fruitful. I hope everyone who was listening oguda something the kombera uri hey live ni senere zi artists zabewo zine nafuna zono uri zingaguda something yapa noni ngauri this information ninga si one I want to pass information ri amba zwino roto rari ruso kuzichilexela ravari ko yamba azoneka.
Yeah, for real. Because game recognized game, and I was one the most random places life is the one not the good. That's one of the most fruitful things. That's why I need life. Yeah, bro.
Show my guy. I don't know Ramba foot.
Yeah, no stress. And Bamba don't change.
All right.
So.
Yeah, we move on. The ladi. Yeah, Fusa ya munna ndi munene u dzula na mafhungo and arali na nḓevhe dzo thetshelesa ni guda zwithu nga maanḓa ri sangwi na uri Makhadzi queen African queen Makhadzi ya u khou dropa matshelo vhathu vha hashu kana namusi zwavhuḓi ndi mafhungo a namusi aḽa ya u khou dropa heiḽa thendela ine vhathu ndi kale vho tou i lindela nga maṱo matswuku vhathu vhanzhi vha ri Makhadzi u gai hayi Makhadzi u khou dropa thendela yawe iḽa ino pfhi mbofholowo. Big up to vhathu vhoṱhe vha Venda vhane vho featureiwa vha hone vho Fortunator vha hone vho Gandu kana Gundu hanefhaḽa vha hone vhathu vha ngaho vho Ramzi nene ndo mu vhona hafhaḽani o featureiwa. Big up to Makhadzi o featurera na dzi national and international artists. We hope this EP kana hei album ite zwine a khou lavhelela uri ite zwone ngauri ri tshi checka hafhaḽani ya hu tonga ho shumiwa nga maanḓa hu na vhathu vhanzhi vhane ya vha hone hafhaḽani na iḽa treke yeno pfhi vhurotho kana marotho i hone hafhaḽani ndi iḽa treke ye ya vha mukosi nene a tshi ri nene o i bvisa mafhungo zwavhuḓi hu tonga muṅwe vha khou rekhoda nga ngeimi a khou rekhoda nga hangeini ndi track number 2 hafhaḽani kha album ya Makhadzi o feature Kabza the Small, Mahu, Azana na Sinomhlolo kana Sinomsolo ya mukosi nene unayo i track nene uri khou ḓo i bvisa ri tshi pfa zwavhuḓi hu tonga hu na muṅwe o remove something uri songo fanesa na ya muṅwe ya kha iḽa track ine ri khou amba yone track number 19 Mitodzi kana Matodzi hu na Ramzi na Ati. Nice one Makhadzi, nice one Makhadzi. Zwi khou amba zwori track dzine vhathu dzi pfa hafhanoni namusi vha khou ḓo dzi pfa dzoṱhe namusi vha lindela nga 12 ya vha ḓo i vhona hanefhaḽa na Romeo the Great White I think in 2 weeks time u ḓo vha a khou bvisa thendela yawe EP ino pfhi Emotions is a nice EP ndo i pfa things are looking great hafhaḽani see what I did there yeah ra dovha ra vha na vhatondi ndo amba nda ri na vhone vho bvisa namusi vha na Pastor Holy Mike. If you wanna vibe, if you wanna go to church, listen to that song vana Pastor Holy Mike ya nditreka mudinga maanḓa I didn't know uri na Holy Mike vha ya imba ngori ndi dzula vha pfa kha radio hafhaḽani every Sunday zwavhuḓi nga maanḓa vhaimbi vha Venda vha khou vha versatile mara o amba fusari versatile ya vhewe ni dzi londe ngauri ni ḓo switcha na fhethu hu si hone ya hu pfhi zwoṱhe ndi vhone ndi treke ya vhatondi ndi songa nga zori Back to the City tsha hone vhathu vha hashu nga dzi 7 October Back to the City hafhala New Town a ri nga kona u vha naye namusi lusuvhelele lubenzelele milenzhe makwanda a phame ndi nema ya ri ḓo vha naye maybe next week vhathu vha hashu a ri tengo rali nṋe ndi name ndi ṱuwe ya vho joinaho late hey life they save hanefha you guys ni dovholole ni vhone ni share ni fhe na vhangana vha vheiwe na dzi artists dza vheiwe arali dza khou vhona hafha ni dzi sendele ni phe mafhungo o ambiwaho hafhanoni. I know uri muthu muṅwe na muṅwe kana vhanzhi they will pick up something from this conversation ye ndavha ndi nayo na Fusa Ladi. Yeah, go to our channel Street Talk Podcast hafhaḽani kha YouTube. We are almost posting a lot of things, so you will never get bored over the weekend. And nice thing there, we are covering content here Venda, and we are also bringing content here humwe right this are introduce vhathu vhoṱhe ba Venda. Guys, enjoy the weekends. Actually Friday enjoy man. Ara una muṅwe ene u khou bvisa dzi nyimbo Antendere, we'll post them. This is how we na Lutro of Visa music video wa Ubatanyere. Nice one, man. Sangamis yo shoot you anga Z Films Venda. Yeah, rekwita mapungo on Ubatanyere. It's a nice song. Ni check yane pala. Yeah, romba nanga Lutro apa ore. Lutro kafokase udoba sharp. So far my guy no fara mrenje wone saningo raro. Yeah, nabo JR player but Visa. Yeah, but when you Visa ne pala. Mapungo manje no ambesi wa bege pera one heive gay. The EP ya Mizo Phyll ilani no fi yo hey the other EP the LP ya Mizo Phyll yo vow 9 days ago you know it was written vanji bakuitakalera ngamanda. People are vibing. This your boy man Gale, Mr. Do this all the time. Sangamisi abanditowe aratangane futhi next time. You know how we do it here. This is a boy man Gale. Bachin todai. Wan check ka Facebook na hot take social media. Nay. We pass jam zone dia tonga ndobipa. Yeah, ndobipa bo. Titongi. Abantome. Namserani sakonu batusai. I can direct you to the right people and we can help grow this music together. Aritangoraro. I'm out.
Hey, the Venrap Show. Bannerman King. Mr. Dude, all the time.
Check this out. Are you ready?